If you've ever wanted to add a video to your game in HaxeFlixel for a cutscene or an intro, it's actually not that straightforward, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. If you were to do some research on how to play a video in HaxeFlixel, you may come across this Stack Overflow link, and this will quickly reveal to you that openFL can only play HTML5 videos. It cannot play videos natively on macOS, Windows or Linux. So if you want to focus on a native target, I'd recommend you check out HXCodec. For this video, we're going to stick with plain old openFL and focus on web targets. As suggested by this user, there is a great example here which shows you how to use openFL to play a video. It makes use of this NetStream, which essentially streams something from a server onto your game or your application. Thankfully, NinjaMuffin99, the creator of Friday Night Funkin', has adapted that openFL demo into a Flixel demo and has called the class FLX Video. Very catchy name. So you can pretty much copy and paste this file in your own project and it should work. If it's good enough for FNF, it's good enough for us. Let's jump to some code. I've copied NinjaMuffin's class and made a bunch of modifications so that it can be used with many different video files. I'm not going to go through all the changes I've made, but if you want to know more, I'm going to put a GitHub link to this project so you can have a look at the code in your own time. But important things to note, I've created a few functions that make it easy to play, pause, and resume a video after you've paused it. To use the class, it's simply a case of creating a variable and instantiating a new FLX video with a source. The finish callback will of course run when the video has finished playing, and this is useful for if you want to jump to another scene for a game or if you want to chain videos together. I've set autoplay true here, which means the video will automatically play once it's loaded. If we go to our browser and try to run the project, you'll notice we get a blank screen. And if we look at the dev tools, we'll notice we get an error. This error happens because the video I want to play contains sound, and by default, the browser will not autoplay a video that has some sound in it. We can fix this by either removing all the sounds from our video, or we can make sure the user interacts with the page before we play the video. I've now added some text here and triggered the video to play when space is pressed. Now if you go to our project and hit the spacebar, the video plays fine and the sound also works. Let's try the FLX video class with a much shorter video so we can make sure that this trace is working. So now pressing space will play the video, pressing P will pause the video, and pressing R will resume the video. Let's test this in the browser. Pressing space should play the video. Pressing P should pause it, and pressing R should resume it. I'm going to fast forward the video to the end and you'll see that the trace will trigger when the video has finished. As you can see, the trace is here and the video has disappeared. I really hope something like FLX Video gets integrated into the proper HaxeFlixel in the future, but for now, this is the best option we have. If you found this video useful and have some questions or comments you want to add, please feel free to do so in the comment section below, but you can also check out my Discord server. The link for that is in the video description. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.